W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a candle. This isn't very hard for us to draw at all. We only need 3 basic lines and shapes to create this. An arc, a line, and a rectangle. Let's see how it all fits together. Let's start off with a line right here. It's going to go straight down. And then on the opposite side, we'll do the same thing. Go straight down. And then we're going to make 3 rectangles. Start here and just go a little bit outside of where this line is. And we're going to come across and then go down and then go back over and then up. Okay, so there's your rectangle there, and then we're going to make a slightly larger rectangle right below it. So we'll start right over here, and we can go over, and then down, then back over, and then up. And now we're going to draw one more rectangle, and it's going to be longer, but it's going to be thinner. So watch this. We're going to start here. We're going to go over, stop, and then go down. And then we're only going to go down that far. Then we're going to come back over again. And this is, and then connected at the end, this is the part that holds the candle. This is the candle holder. Okay? And now, at the top, we are going to draw that melty part of the wax that's dripping down. So we're going to start over here with an arc, like that. And now we're going to do an opposite arc going the other way. So we're going to join the line here, and then we're going to come back down and do an opposite arc. And then we're going to do another arc, but it's going to go the other way and come right here. Okay, so now we are going to have a little tiny arc that's just a little tiny curve like that, coming back in on either side, little curve, just like that. And then we're going to have a straight line come down on either side, just like that. And then we can have another arc be the drip. So just an arc like this. And then down here will be an arc like this. And this is the wax dripping down that's melting. So then in the center of the candle here, we're going to do another arc. And then on the opposite side, an arc like that. And then we can have a straight line come down very far down the candle. This is a long drip. And then we'll have another straight line come down here. And then we will have an arc join it right there. Okay? So now that is our melting and dripping wax. And then right here we're going to draw an arc and then another arc, and this is the wick of the candle. From there we're going to draw the flame. Okay? So the little arc is going to start here and it's going to go around and stop. And then we're going to do another arc the opposite way, like this. And then we'll make one big arc, comes down and around, like that. So that'll be the flame on our candle, but we're going to draw another shape on the inside with 2 more arcs. We'll start down toward here, but we're not going to touch the bottom. Be right about here. And then we'll do an arc. And then on the opposite side, we're going to close that off with another arc. And for this drawing, I'm going to do a thick black outline around it, just to finish it off. You do not have to do this. I'm just going to trace the outline, and I'm pushing down harder on my marker to get that thicker outline, just to finish off this drawing. And maybe it looks a little bit cleaner when I'm done. You do not have to do this if you don't want to. If at any point in this video you need to pause to catch up, feel free to pause it and then you can join in when you're ready. Alright, almost there. And then I'm just going to join this at the top. And it looks like we're done. Look at our candle, everyone. Great job following along. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. I'll see you next time. Bye! For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.